Come on, no. We open his mouth. Baby, they has opened his mouth and moving.
Oh my!
You see, it's moving now.
It's gonna open his mouth.
No, can move, eh? They are walking.
Yes, they're walking down the street. The back, this is the camera. Can I also take her home? This is Mommy home. Mom and Dad is the girl home. Oh, that was Auntie. So,
Auntie.
yes, that's Auntie's home. That is the grandpa's home. Oh, that is the grandpa's home is the home. He's moving again.
Wait. I wanna see they are moving. Don't touch it, okay? I wanna see them moving. Where are they going?
He's moving again. Maggie borrowed the snails, right? I need to do this.